Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to use the spread operator on arrays. If you watched my last video, you'll notice I probably already did this. One solution for ES6 to help enforce state immutability in Redux is the spread operator. The spread operator has a variety of applications, one of which is well suited to the previous challenge of producing a new array from an existing array. This is relatively new but commonly used syntax. For example, you may have myArray and write new array is equal to myArray. New array is now a clone of myArray. Both arrays still exist separately in memory. If you perform a mutation like newArray.push and you add the number 5 to it, myArray doesn't change. MyArray doesn't change if you go newArray.push. The spread effectively, the spread meaning the ... effectively spreads out the values in myArray into a new array to clone an array but add additional values in the new array. You could write ... myArray plus new value. This would return a new array composed of the values in myArray and the string new value as the last value. The spread syntax can be used multiple times in array composition like this, but it's important to note that it only makes a shallow copy of the array. That is to say, it only provides immutable array operations for one-dimensional arrays. What does that mean? So it means like if you were to have an array that went like this, let's say this one is, well here, I'll do it in the console. So I'm opening this up and jumping into the console. If we were to go array, or let's go 1, we're gonna say let or var 1 is equal to this, and then say, so 1 is equal to this array. It's a two-dimensional array, right? So it's got 0 and then 1, 2. And then if we were to say 2 is equal to ... 1, if we were to go 2, it doesn't have all the data in there. One, two, 1. It's position 1 and then array at 2, and it's got AB here. And then if we look into this one, it has AB as well. Huh. So it does seem to work. Well, maybe I'm misunderstanding that, but essentially it doesn't go super deep, I guess. One-dimensional array. So we want to use the spread operator to return a new copy of state when a to-do is added. Oh, if you watched my last video, this is what we did last time. So what we want to do is we want to say we want to make a copy of the state, and then we want to add on the to-do, the new to-do, action dot to-do. This is actually a little bit more concise than the last time we did it. So yeah, if you watched the last video, this is probably good because now you get it. The way that I did it last time is I would say their new state is equal to, I made a copy of state, and then I went new state dot push, and then we pushed in the action to do, and then we just returned the new state. This would also work, but obviously, you know, that is not the, I mean, I think it's kind of clear that really the cleanest way, once you understand how the spread operator works, is to do it this way, because you have a single line response that's it's kind of easy to read. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.